With the alternate assessment window right around the corner, we know that changes in routine may increase stress in our students and contribute to interfering or challenging behavior. Using the social narratives and positivity, specifically testing change is okay, can help prepare students and remind them of ways to cope. Let's explore how to easily create, assign, and deliver this social narrative. You'll first click on the three bars in the upper left corner to locate positivity. From there, you'll click into the strategy library. This is where all of the strategies you've created are located. Let's add testing changes social narrative by clicking new strategy in the upper right corner. Here you'll see all of the options for different strategies available in positivity. Click on social narrative. You can choose from templates available or create your own. We're going to scroll down to testing changes, select that, and then we need to name our strategy. Once we do that, we can come up to the top right and click Next. It will now save and bring up an editable version of the social narrative. Once the social narrative loads, we can scroll through on the left side to make any changes we need. For instance, you can personalize this narrative if there's another coping strategy that your classroom uses, such as laying on the beanbag chair, by selecting the image, selecting symbols and images, and then searching for the symbol that you'd like. We can select our beanbag and then click Add Selected, and it will replace our symbol in our social narrative. We then can click in our text box to edit the text to match our symbol. Once we're finished, we can come up to the top right and click Save and Close. It has now been added to our strategy library. To assign this strategy, return to our positivity menu and click Visual Schedule. Here you'll see the available options for schedules. If you'd like to only deliver this to specific students, you may click on their individual schedule. We're going to go ahead and click on our classroom. Note, if you do not currently have a visual schedule, you'll need to create one before you're able to deliver strategies in positivity. Please refer back to the Positivity Smart Start to learn how. Now that I have my visual schedule pulled up, you'll see three options at the top that indicate today, daily, or weekly. When a strategy is added to today, you will only see today. We want to see the strategy daily, so we're going to click on daily. To add our strategy to the beginning of the day, the first subject area, we will click on existing strategy, and then click on our testing changes social narrative and click next. At this point, it's going to bring up some different options of when to deliver the strategy. So at the start of the activity, do we want to do 2 minutes after the start of the activity? I'm going to go ahead and put that we want it to start as soon as the activity starts, and that we're going to manually advance through the strategy. Click Save, and now you can see that it is added to our schedule. To deliver the strategy, you'll access your visual schedule from any screen. If you have a time-based schedule, your strategy will automatically deliver at the designated time. If you have an on-demand schedule, as I do, you will need to click and advance your schedule to start. Note, if you want to add the schedule on the same day, you will need to add it to today's schedule as well. We hope this helps your students prepare for your upcoming testing changes.